Congratulations on the arrival of your new baby. We are excited to share with you the Read, Talk, Play kits for families and their new babies. Your kit includes information and resources on the importance of reading, talking, and playing with your child every day. When you read, talk, and play with your child, even before they can use words, you are helping them learn language, reading, math, and social skills. During the first 3 years of life, your baby's brain is growing at astonishing rates. By age 3, the brain has reached 80% of its adult size, and key areas of the brain are wiring and peak during this time. The parent-child relationship is the most powerful influence on a child's early brain development.
You may wonder why we're encouraging you to read to your new baby. Studies have shown there are a variety of benefits to reading to babies other than learning what the words mean. The comfort of hearing your voice and snuggling with them help your baby feel safe and connected to you. In your bag, we have provided you with 2 simple board books to start your home libraries. With infants, you can show them the pictures and read the story to them even though they can't turn the pages themselves yet. It's fun to vary the tone of your voice while you're reading to your baby so they can improve their ability to differentiate sounds and speech patterns. Babies love to hear their parents talk to them. There are ways other than reading to engage with your baby. You can repeat sounds they're making, such as cooing and babbling, which will develop healthy interactions for them. Smiling and eye contact are a significant way to build your baby's confidence and support your personal connection with them. Singing to your baby and making up silly words will help both you and your baby have positive interactions and strengthen your relationship. The more words and conversations you have, the more they'll be ready to learn. Always remember the vital role you play in your baby's life. You are their first and most important teacher.
The final part of your kit includes information on play. Children also learn through play and develop confidence and physical skills. The Developmental Tips key ring included in your kit provide ideas for helping your child feel loved, happy, and safe. As you begin to play, take it slow and show your baby how to use the toy, but try not to do it for them every time. Read their signals, and the babies will show you when they have had enough or when they are frustrated. When they're frustrated, they might use their hands, change facial expressions, or use gestures. The rattle in your kit encourages eye movement as they follow and track sound, which will help them learn to read as they follow words and pictures in a book. We also have included a half sheet with directions for using a milestone tracker app to assist with learning about your baby's milestones. The bag is a gift for you that includes a book, a rattle, a developmental key ring, and parent information sheets. We also have included as a gift a Read, Talk, Play bib for your child. Congratulations, and we hope you enjoy reading, talking, and playing with your child every day.